welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to add contacts, basically a new contact via WhatsApp. So for example, you want to add someone on WhatsApp, you have their number, and now you want to add them. So first and foremost, you want to either go to your chat or go to calls. I'm just going to go to calls, and then you want to press on this phone icon with the plus. Once you press on that, over here you can see new group call, new contact, and all the other stuff, right? And then you want to press on new contact. Once you press on new contact, you're gonna have name. It's a furniture store, so I'm gonna write furniture store, right? And then I'm gonna put down the phone number for this furniture store, and I'm gonna save. Once I save that, and it's gonna prompt me to WhatsApp, like it's gonna give me all these WhatsApp information. I just want to go back, and then once I go back, it shows me your contact list has been updated. Now let's just start for F, and as you see, the furniture store is here, and the contact list has been updated with the contact that I want to. So it's as simple as that. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.